Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hajmola Mojito without soda and Sprite. Start by muddling 8 10-mint leaves with 1 lime cut into wedges and 1 tsp Hajmola paste. Add 1 tsp sugar or honey and gently press to release oils. Fill the glass with crushed ice and top with chilled sparkling water or plain water and stir to combine for a refreshing, tangy mojito. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and fast. Measure 1 tsp Hajmola paste for a strong tang and adjust to taste later. Use 120-180 ml chilled sparkling water or plain water depending on how fizzy you want it. Keep crushed ice ready so you can build the drink quickly and enjoy peak flavor from the mint and lime while everything is cold and bright. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for keeping your mojito cold on the go and has a neat flip cap for spill-free sipping. It pairs well with backyard mixing or gifting to a friend who loves drinks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Muddle gently to bruise mint leaves and release aroma without shredding them into bits. Start with 1 tsp Hajmola paste and 1 tsp sugar, then add crushed ice to chill quickly. Pour 120-180 ml chilled water and stir to combine flavors evenly, tasting as you go to tweak tartness or sweetness. Finish with a mint sprig and lime wheel for a bright presentation and serve right away for best results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.